Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video we will see how to get stock images for free. Also I wonder why you want to know how to get stock images for free. Maybe you're a content creator or maybe you're somebody who uses a lot of images but you're afraid of the plagiarism or copyright issue, so you want some stock images but they are very much expensive, so you want a free solution to that and you don't know where to get it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you can get free stock images. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to go to any browser of your choice in your mobile phone. I'm going with the Google Chrome, but you can get to any browser of your choice. You just have to simply tap on the icon of the browser, and once the browser open you will see its interface. So here you will see this search bar. With the help of this search bar we will search a website, and with the help of that website we can get access to a lot of different free stock images. On the search bar you have to search for a website which name is FreePik, FREEPIK, and once you see the results just simply go for it, and there you can see this is the first link. This is the real link. You have to simply click on it, and after that it will just take a while and load the website. Make sure you also get to this website. Keep that in mind, its logo and its interface, and once you get there it will ask you some permission. You may skip them and you just have to explore the website. Here we have a search bar, and in the search bar you have to search for the pictures. For example, if you're looking some toys, then you have to type toys, and if you're looking for some sea images, then you have to type sea, ocean, or the words related to your prescribed thing. So on the search bar I just searched for food and I just got these pictures. So from all these I'm tapping on this because I like it. Likewise you can choose any picture of your choice. Once it get open you will see that this is a free picture. Some of the pictures on this website are paid but mostly are free. So if you want to download it because you want to use it somewhere, so here you have to click on download option, and then again you have to click on this option. It will just take a while, and after that it will download the image in your mobile phone, and once the downloading gets complete you will be easily able to open it and can view it. So this is the image that we downloaded, and you can also check its quality. It's very high, and now you can use it on the social media, or maybe you can use it for any other purpose. So that's how you can get access to a lot of free stock images when you go to the website that is prescribed in this video. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can get stock images for free. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.